Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make Armenian eggplant rolls. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'll be doing this recipe based on one large eggplant, as you can see. The other tool we need is a very sharp thin bladed knife. First thing we'll do is take the stem off, just to make it easy to work with. Just like so. The next thing we need to do is slice this lengthways. Now we want to make each slice around half a centimeter thick. And basically that's all we want. So now we're going to move on to our grill, or you can even go to the stove for this. Alright, so just on a high heat, all I'm going to do is lay down our eggplant pieces on my char grill. And we're also going to season them with some salt and pepper. This will reduce the bitterness. And we're just going to grill them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're cooked all the way through. Alternatively, you can fry these in a frying pan, or you can even oven bake them. After a couple of minutes, we'll go ahead and carefully flip these on the other side. Alright guys, so once they're cooked all the way through like that and they're nice and soft, we're going to go ahead and take them off and just place them into a container. Alright guys, so just in a bowl here, I've got 1 cup of finely chopped walnuts. We'll set that to the side for now, and I'm going to bring across half a handful of fresh dill, and all we want to do is finely chop this up. Alright, and we'll add the dill to our walnut mixture. Next we'll add in about 1 teaspoon of salt, a couple of cracks of black pepper, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now for the next part, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese. Now if you don't want to use ricotta cheese, you can also use sour cream, Greek style yogurt. You can even use cream cheese. I've also made it in the past with feta cheese. So you've got a few different options there. Now all we're going to do is just mix this all together. Alright, so that's good to go, so let's move on to the fun part now. So what we're going to do is get 1 strip of our eggplant like so, and we want to put about 1 tablespoon of our mixture on the end, and then carefully roll it up, just like so. Once you've done that, we'll place it onto a plate. And all we're going to do is just repeat this. Alright, and there we have it. And we'll finish it off with some fresh pomegranate seeds. Just like so. Ready to be served. I hope you liked that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.